Hey guys, it's Miriam Beauty and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing a few products from Anastasia. The Anastasia products that I am going to be reviewing is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Caramel. I will also be reviewing Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, the new eye primer. And I will be reviewing Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in the color Dark Brown. So if you want to see what I thought about these products, watch all the way to the end of the video to see my review. Okay guys, so I finished the look as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, and I wanted to give my thoughts about the products. In my opinion, I was afraid to get the foundation because I'm always afraid about ordering foundations online because I'm afraid it's not going to match my skin tone, but for the most part it looks like it did match, and so I'm in the color Caramel. And for the most part it was a little bit hard to work with in the beginning because for me it was like dry. I'm combination skin, so sometimes my skin is dry, sometimes it's oily, so but I was able to blend it in, and I think it looks really nice on my skin. So I would definitely recommend the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Side note, I'm really excited for the foundation to come out. I can't wait to try it because I prefer liquid foundation, so can't wait to get my hands on that. The next thing is the Anastasia brow gel. I am in the color dark brown. I also ordered it online not knowing if it would match me, and as you can see it did. I really like it because it's really holding my eyebrows in place, and I don't think they're gonna go anywhere. So yeah, I would recommend this product as well. Finally, for the Anastasia Eye Primer, I really like the product. All you need is a little bit of product. I did the mistake and I put it on my finger, like, you know, a little ball, and I put it on my eye. It was way too much product. So then I found that using my finger really didn't blend the product in well. So I used the brush and it blended right in. I also love it because I feel like the pigmentation of my eyeshadows are more brighter. As you can see, I think that my eye look came out pretty cool. And I use concealer for my eye primer, but this worked even better, so I'm glad I got it. And it's a light primer, but it really worked out for me. And you can't even tell that it's a light primer. But overall, good product. All the Anastasia products are right on point. If there's any other product that you would like me to review, comment down below and I'll go ahead and review it for you. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, bye!